Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we'll explore how to make precision control masks. Begin by creating a basic selection of your subject or area, then enter mask overlay mode to refine it with full accuracy using a small, low-opacity brush. Work slowly along edges and transitions, especially in areas where light, shadow, or texture changes abruptly. Apply the mask and use it with adjustment layers to control specific visual elements such as highlights, shadows, or color ranges without affecting the entire image. Optional techniques include stacking multiple masks for different tonal zones and adjusting mask density for smoother blending. Precision masking gives you maximum control over every